For those of you that don't follow me on Instagram, I just wanted to give you a quick update about what happened at the State Fair. I entered 2 pieces into the South Carolina State Fair Fine Art Juried exhibition this year. I entered the sea turtle as well as 1 dozen maple donuts. Maple donuts won 2nd place in the professional sculpture division. The sea turtle won a merit award as well as the purchase award. So the purchase award is pretty much 2nd best in show. Just missed best in show. So I was feeling pretty excited about that. Unfortunately, I had to turn down the purchase award. Regular watchers of my videos will know that this piece was entered in Art Fields. Art Fields penalizes you if you withdraw an entry. Although knowing that it already won 2 prizes in a juried exhibition makes me hopeful that I will win a prize in Art Fields. I feel like I'm on Let's Make a Deal, where Monty Hall would offer the contestant money to quit right now, or the chance to see what's behind door 1, 2, or 3. Unfortunately, only one of the doors has a prize, the other 2 doors have goats. So I might have shot myself in the foot, I don't know. But knowing now that it is a strong piece, I think I have a pretty good chance of winning a prize at Art Fields. So I'm excited about that. As a side note, I just passed 30,000 followers on Instagram. Of course, I'm building my number of subscribers on YouTube. So huge thanks to everyone that have been following, subscribing, watching, commenting, liking, just giving me general support and compliments on my videos. It really means a lot to me. Thanks so much, everybody. So if you're interested in supporting what I do, feel free to check out my Etsy shop or my Redbubble shop to either buy a t-shirt or some art. That's the best way that you can support me. Especially with Christmas coming up soon, now's the perfect time to start shopping for a unique gift for that special someone. Nothing pays me a higher compliment than someone buying one of my pieces. Anyway, I've had several things on the go this week, including several bowls, plus another ring sculpture out of some reclaimed oak. This I was going to start to try to make some duplicate rings. A few more bowls on the go. You can expect to see those videos soon. I never bug people to like and subscribe because people that regularly use YouTube know how to like and subscribe already. But since we're on the subject, like and subscribe. Now that the weather's cooled off, I've been having the doors open more often. It's much more comfortable to be in here. I've been able to put in longer days, so I'm feeling a little more productive within the last few weeks. I got lots of bowls to tackle on the bowl wall. I got lots of reclaimed wood. So there's going to be a lot more projects coming out of Cammie's garage.